So the other thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop in some placeholder effects and a couple of placeholder fills. So these are fills that are going to help me do the arrangement. They're going to help me write, because sometimes you don't need to bring in another part. You just might want to put a snare fill or a riser or a bit of an effect. Now, if I put these in as placeholders, when I come to do this sketch arrangement, they may be overused, but they're there to remind me that when I start colouring in the record and doing all the fine-tuning touches, that okay, there's a fill there, it's being used too much, let's replace that fill, let's make it a bit cooler. What I don't want to be doing while I do the arrangement is stopping when I get to bar 8 and spending 25 minutes programming this great fill, because what will happen is I'll lose the vibe of the arrangement, I'll lose where I am, I'll lose the feeling of where things should be coming in, and I'll start looping a bit, and before you know it, I've been looping 8 bars for 45 minutes and I'm starting to get bored of the record. My ears are getting tired. So I will do all that stuff after, and it's a much quicker way of getting your arrangement done.